Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saints Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. These are three siblings, friends of Jesus from Bethany. There are two places or sites where Jesus visited frequently. The first site is where he frequented in prayer in Gethsemane. And the second site or second place is where he usually rested in Bethany in the house of these three siblings whom we are honoring today, Saints Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. There are three important lessons we can learn from these three siblings. The first is about staying with Jesus. 2 Sundays ago, we heard about the gospel reading where Jesus visited the house of these three siblings. Martha was busy in the kitchen preparing everything for the Lord, while Mary sat at the foot of Jesus listening to the words of Jesus. And Martha complained to Jesus, and Jesus responded, "Martha, Martha, you're anxious of so many things. There is only one thing that is best, and Mary has chosen the better part." And this is when Mary sat at the feet of Jesus, spent time with Jesus, listening and learning from the Lord. And so from this encounter of Jesus with these three siblings, these three siblings teach us the importance of praying first before working, the importance of spending time with the Lord before apostolate or doing mission. The second lesson we can learn from these three siblings is the importance of faith. In our gospel reading today, Lazarus died and Jesus visited his friends to comfort them. And here, Jesus told them, "I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me, though he will die, will live. And whoever lives in me will never die." And Jesus asked them, "Do you believe this?" And Martha responded, "Yes, Lord, I have come to believe that you are the Christ, the Son of God, the one who is coming to the world." So Saint Martha, we are taught of the importance of believing in God in all things. Believing that God is bigger than all our pains in life. That when we have the Lord, no matter what pains and sufferings we may encounter in life, these pains and sufferings would turn into sacrifices, would turn into great joy because we have the Lord in our lives. The importance of believing in God. Finally, these three siblings teach us the importance of friendship with the Lord. You know, one of the favorite places of Jesus is really to visit this house of these three siblings. And to be a friend of Jesus is to really welcome Jesus in our lives, not only in our place, but most especially in our hearts. That is the most important thing. That friendship is not a matter of what we show, what we give, but it's a matter of keeping them in our hearts. No matter what happens, when we allow people to be welcome, to feel that they belong with us. And that is true friendship. Now, tatanggapin natin ano man ang mangyari, maging sino man sila pa rin ay welcome sa puso natin, tanggap natin sila. Yan ang tunay na pagkakaibigan. Walang iwanan, mananatili panghabang buhay. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.